Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is once again suing the Biden administration, this time over mask and vaccination requirements for staff members at Head Start early childhood education facilities. Head Start is a federally funded program that provides free child care for low-income families. KXAN's Monica Madden explains the lawsuit and takes us inside one Head Start facility here in Texas.
Safety is #1 priority in any child care.
Brittany Fitzpatrick has had her hands full throughout the pandemic as the health manager for Head Start Child Inc.
We want to set them up for as most success as possible, and one of those things now are including masks.
Masks are not new at their facility, but the federal government is now requiring them for kids ages 2 and older in Head Start programs.
I haven't had any disrupt from parents.
Unless they have an exemption, staff will also have to be vaccinated by the end of January, a mandate Attorney General Ken Paxton is already contesting in court.
We are funded by the Office of Head Start, and so we're going to follow what the offices of Head Start require us.
The suit says this rule is unlawful and will decrease availability of Head Start programs in Texas.
The Biden administration relied on old statutes and old programs to impose mask and vaccine requirements. And in several cases now, the Texas Attorney General has filed suit against the Biden administration, arguing that they don't have the power to impose these requirements.
It marks the 4th lawsuit Paxton has filed against the federal government's vaccine requirements.
Under the precedent in Texas, this policy will likely be put on hold, at least temporarily, and that's an issue still being tested in the courts.
Something political analysts predict will continue so long as the pandemic does. Monica Madden, KXAN News.
As for the rule for Head Start employees, they can get a religious or medical exemption and will have to be tested weekly if that is the case. This rule goes into effect on January 31st if the courts do not block it.